Have you ever wanted a charging station that can charge multiple things at the same time? Kind of like one charging station to rule them all? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Nomos 5-in-1 140 watt charging station. That's right, this is a charger right here that can do all kinds of charging things. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Nomos right here. This is a Qi2 5-in-1 desktop charger right here with retractable cable. That's very awesome. We're huge fans of that right there. Packaging looks fantastic on this thing. Wow, look at that, even the wireless right here. You know what, this is what's to be expected of Baseus now. I hate to say it, but guys, we just expect this. You have spoiled us. All the packaging is always fantastic, so let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this quick start guide right here, and it's super nice. This is a very large guide, so everything is going to be very legible in this. This gives you some information in multiple different languages on the warranty and what plugs do what and how to set it up. We've even got a little color in here as well. So very nice. Great job. One of the next things you're going to find is this power plug right here. And I've got to say, this is awesome. All right. Now, I don't want to be this guy, but don't you hate it when those plugs are like this and the cables just run out? This is a low profile cable right here, so you'll be able to plug this into the wall and keep it nice and flat. The cables are not blowing out the back, so huge fan of that. Very nice. And the charger itself, look at this thing, guys. This thing is awesome. 140 watts. And there's your power cable. Got a little, looks to be a sleep mode button right here. Right here on the front, we've got our USB-A cable, 2 USB-C cables, and the retractable cable. So it looks like there's a little magnet here as well to hold it in there, but look at that. The retractable cable is just amazing. These things are so fun, and they're just so futuristic. Here on the top, we've got this sweet sticker that's got to go. And this is our Qi2 right here, and wow, look at this. It even folds up, so you'll be able to magnetize your phone into this. Got another sticker for you guys. And this should be part of the display screen, which will give us information on what wattage we're charging at. You can kind of see the screen right there. So very nice. This thing looks awesome. It feels very high quality, but all of Baseus stuff feels great. So let's go ahead and get it set up and try it out. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Nomos 5-in-1 charging station at 140 watts. Wired and wireless versatility. Supports the Qi2 certified 15-watt wireless charging for iPhone and the 140 watt PD 3.1 USB-C super fast charging. The versatile fast charging solution brings you flexibility and efficiency to significantly boost your productivity. It's a 5-in-1 desktop charging station with 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, 1 built-in 100 watt retractable USB-C cable, plus the Qi2 certified MagSafe wireless charger. Allows you to charge up to 5 devices at the same time, rendering you more space and a cleaner table. Clutter-free charging. The charger's compact design with a built-in 100 watt retractable USB-C cable that has been tested for over 10,000 pull tests, ensuring its durability and longevity, and can neatly retract into the unit when it's not in use, helping you to maintain a tidy workspace in both office and home settings. Instant power feedback. The LCD display allows you to monitor the charging station in real time, providing you visual feedback on charging speed and power allocation for each port. Got an adjustable stand. The magnetic plate can be freely folded up to 60 degrees and adjust height up and down that adapts to your iPhone 16, 15 Pro, etc. The strong magnetic attraction allows your iPhone to rotate 360 degrees to further conveniently access videos and conferences while charging without slipping off. And it's the Qi2 certified 15 watt wireless charging. Immerse in dependable 15 watt ultra fast wireless charging for iPhones thanks to the Qi2 certification, delivering twice the charging speed compared to the previous generation, and ensuring your devices are charged securely and swiftly. Keep in mind, Android phones can only achieve a 5-watt wireless charging. Baseus, this is another fantastic product from you guys. The Nomos 5-in-1 charging station just makes everyone's life a little easier. Great job! As you know, we've worked with Baseus in the past, and everything we've reviewed from them has always been really nice. It's always really nice. This Nomos 5-in-1 charger is just awesome. It just makes your life so much easier. Wireless charging, plug-in in charging, retractable cable, it's genius. We want to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye!